Pass me the ball. Pass me the... Yeah, appreciate it. Come on, bro. No! Don't make that. Don't make that. Go. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. All right, that was a good game. Peace out, Rufus. I'm hungry. All right. What we finna eat? Damn. This
Ugly person.
Go shopping. I think we can use a drink. Ew, this dog is drinking
power
from
wash the
lid.
bottle.
That's
crazy.
nasty. I'm not drinking that. He got some mashed potatoes. That's what I'm finna eat. It wasn't loud when they said this house was small. Who is that? Now, what is you? I'm a demon. What do you think I am? Santa Claus? Ah, how about you? Skinny ass.
Apple.
Bro, on me. Quit playing with me before I run up this ceiling and seep in your body. You is a freaky. Alright, and then mind all that. Is you gonna submit to me or what? I ain't submitting to nobody. Hold that though. Like I said, I ain't submitting to nobody. I'm my own person around here. My owner about to come in with some Bojangles in a minute. Y'all owner must be poor. You only eat mashed potatoes on the plate? And he coming back with Bojangles? Can never be me. See, we get fed good down the hill. Alright, bro. You gonna have to get out of my house one way or another.
Insert part of the correct payment text.
Oh, hell no. Come on, bro. This took me a whole day to drive. Did you seriously just throw tap water on me? The cup too is crazy. Next is a Bible. Alright, I'll leave. Alright, well, turns out Bojangles closes at 9. Why is my floor wet? Did you do this? I know you did it because when I left my house, ain't nothing was on my floor. So I know y'all stinking wet ain't touched my damn floor now, did it? I'm about to go to the kitchen and make me something to eat, bro. Still this day. There's something wrong with this dog. Who left these mashed potatoes on the counter?